हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो वेलकम टू पेनेशिया फॉर लाइब्रेरियंस क्लासेस। आई होप यू ऑल आर वेल। तो हम लोग पटना हाई कोर्ट का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, तो ये इसका पार्ट 2 है। तो हम लोग 47 क्वेश्चन से डिस्कशन करेंगे। द फाउंडेशन ऑफ लाइब्रेरियनशिप इज इंडेक्सिंग, रेफरेंसिंग, क्लासिफिकेशन या कैटलॉगिंग। तो थर्ड क्या है? रेफरेंसिंग। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग सिस्टम? पॉप्सी, प्रीसीज, चेन प्रोसीजर या ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो क्या है? फोर्थ। Brownie system in the library is used for reference of books, selection of books, numbering of books या circulation of books among user। तो इसके लिए क्या है आंसर? फोर्थ, सर्कुलेशन सेक्शन में आता है। Which of the following is an extension service? Story hour, reading to literate, illiterate, library talk, all of the above। तो all of the above। Book selection is based on book size, book content, book price या book review। तो book selection किस पे डिपेंड करता है? book content पे। फिर लो शीट मीन्स पेज साइटेड, वर्क साइटेड, प्लेस साइटेड या नंबर साइटेड। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? प्लेस साइटेड। फिर लाइब्रेरियन डे इन इंडिया इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 12 अगस्त, 12 सितंबर, 8 जुलाई या 8 अक्टूबर। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? फर्स्ट, 12 अगस्त। विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज कवर्ड इन रिसोर्स शेयरिंग? शेयरिंग सर्विसेज, शेयरिंग मटेरियल, शेयरिंग फंक्शंस या ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इसका आंसर क्या है? फोर्थ, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Ranganathan's canon of classification is grouped into 3 planes of work: number, symbol and word, ideal, verbal and notational, computer network, database, number, idea and verbal। तो किस पे? ideal, verbal and notational। Intellectual property right covers copyright, patent, trademark, all of the above। तो किस पे? all of the above। Information regarding skill and projection can be found in dictionaries, directories, references या geographical sources। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? 4 geographical sources। Information regarding scale and projection can be found in dictionaries, directories, references या geographical sources। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? 4 geographical sources। देखिए यहाँ पे all of the above था फर्स्ट, उसके ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स कवर कॉपीराइट, पेटेंट, ट्रेडमार्क, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग स्केल एंड प्रोजेक्शन कैन बी फाउंड इन डिक्शनरी, डायरेक्टरीज, रेफरेंसेज या ज्योग्राफिकल सोर्सेज। तो ज्योग्राफिकल सोर्सेज। हाफ लाइफ इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस रिलेट्स टू डिग्री ऑफ ग्रोथ, डिग्री ऑफ डेविएंस, रेट ऑफ रिटार्डेशन या रेट ऑफ ऑब्जेलेंस। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? रेट ऑफ ऑब्जेलेंस। As per the Indian copyright law, copyright in literary work is granted dash years after death of the author। 50 years, 55, 60 या 65 years। तो इसका आंसर है थर्ड, 60 years। National Library of India was accorded special status of institution of national importance under which article and schedule of the Union list? Article 64 7th, Article 62 6th schedule, Article 62 7th schedule या Article 64 8th schedule, 6th schedule। तो इसका आंसर है थर्ड, Article 62 7th schedule में क्या है? नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ जो कि ऑफ इंडिया वाज accorded special status of institution of national importance under which article and schedule of the Union list? The number pad can be made to act as a directional arrow with the arrow lock, number lock, caps lock या shift। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? सेकेंड, नंबर लॉक। With cut or copy information gets placed in the RAM, motherboard, clipboard या none of the above। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? थर्ड, clipboard। The largest unit of storage among the following is gigabyte, kilobyte, megabyte या terabyte। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? 4 terabyte। Borders of a shape can be removed या hidden by selecting no line, no outline, white line या no border। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? सेकेंड, no outline। A closed shape may be filled with color and pattern through shape, word art, fill style, fill cut। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? थर्ड, fill style। Which tool can be opted for a synonym word in a document? Auto text, replace, treasures या restore। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? treasures। The interaction area of a row and column in a spreadsheet is called a box, cell, value या none of the above। तो इसका आंसर है सेकेंड, cell। तो अब हम इसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। तो हम 68 से देखेंगे। In MS Excel, a row may be inserted by pressing the plus key together with the tab key, control key, alt key या shift key। तो इसका आंसर है सेकेंड, control key। A grid with labeled columns and rows in MS Excel is called a dialog box, worksheet, clipboard, toolbar. तो इसका आंसर है worksheet. Each MS Excel file is called a workbook because it can contain text and data. It can be modified. It can contain many sheets including worksheets and chart sheets. It takes hard work to create one. तो इसका आंसर है थर्ड. It can contain many sheets including worksheet and chart sheets. Who is the father of computer? तो हम लोग सबको पता है चार्ल्स बेबेज. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? User interface, language translator, platform या screen saver. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट यूजर इंटरफेस. The first computer were programmed using assembly language, machine language, source code या object code. तो इसका आंसर है सेकेंड machine language. DAS is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices, network, peripheral, expansion board या digital device. तो फर्स्ट नेटवर्क. ए नेटवर्क कीजिए कम्बिनेशन. बाकी आप coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called entry codes, passwords, security commands या code words. तो इसका आंसर है सेकेंड passwords. You organize files by storing them in archives, folders, indexes या listed. तो इसका आंसर है सेकेंड folders. What type of resources is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Printers, speaker, floppy disk drive या keyboards. तो इसका आंसर है printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive या NIC card. तो इसका आंसर है modem. CD-ROM stands for compactable read-only memory, compact data read-only memory, compactable disk read-only memory या compact disk read-only memory. तो इसका आंसर है फोर्थ compact disk read-only memory. ALU is a arithmetic logic unit, array logic unit, application logic unit या none of the above. इसका आंसर arithmetic logic unit. VGA is video graphics array, visual graphics array, volatile graphics array या video graphics array. Adapter. तो इसका आंसर है video graphics adapter. The capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk is 1.40 MB, 1.44 GB, 1.40 GB या 1.44 MB. इसका आंसर है 1.44 MB. WAN stands for Web Area Network, Wide Area Network, Wide Array Net, Wireless Area Network. तो इसका आंसर है Wide Area Network. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, Magnetic Ink Code Reader, Magnetic Ink Cases Reader या none. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Printer, keyboard, mouse या arithmetic and logic unit. तो arithmetic and logic unit. CAD stands for computer aided design, computer algorithm for design, computer application in design या computer analog design. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट computer aided design. Junk email is also called spam, spoof, sniffer script या spool. तो इसका आंसर है spam. Hackers all have the same motive, break into other people computers, may legally break into computers as long as they do not do any damage, and are people who are allergic to computers. Second, break into other people computers. What type of computers are silent computers? Most time in a silent server system. Mainframe, mini computer, microcomputer या PDA. तो इसका आंसर है थर्ड microcomputer. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the compiler, loader, operating system या assembly. School of distance education. तो थर्ड operating system. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called double space, line space, spacing, single space या vertical spacing. तो इसका आंसर है line spacing. Example of non-numeric data is employee address, examination score, bank balance, all of these. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट employee address. Dash is the appearance of typed character, size, format, point या color. तो इसका आंसर है second format. Dash is the when a file is saved for the first time, a copy is automatically printed. It must be a given name to identify. It does not need a name. It only needs a name if does not going to be printed. So second, it must be given a name to identify it. Dash represents raw facts, whereas dash is data made meaningful. Information या reporting data information bits या records bytes. तो इसका आंसर है 2 data या information. Data represents raw facts, whereas information is data made meaningful. What characteristics of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? ROM information can be easily updated. Data in ROM is non-volatile. That is, it remains there even without electrical power. ROM provides very large amounts of inexpensive data storage. ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computer. The second, data in ROM is non-volatile. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Operating system extension, cookies, diagnosis software या boot diskettes school of distance education. तो third, cookies. Which programming languages are classified as low language? Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Prolog, C या C++ या assembly language. तो assembly language. Which of the following is not antivirus software? NAV, Aprot, Oracle या MCA free? तो Oracle. DMA stands for डायरेक्ट मेमोरी एक्सेस. तो ये है हमारे टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन जो कि पटना हाई कोर्ट में लाइब्रेरियन के लिए पूछे गए थे 2019 में. आई होप आप लोग को क्लियर विजिबल हो रहा होगा. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक हंसते रहेगा, पढ़ते रहेगा. थैंक यू.